animal. Morph into a train.
Have fun at the beach, everyone!
Oh no! Morphle, the elephant is gone! Oh no! We need to find it! Now the lion is missing as well. Where could it have gone? And now the giraffe has gone missing as well. Bandage! Yes, the bandits must have stolen them. Let's find them. Aha! There you are, bandits. What did you do with all the animals?
Huh? What animals?
The animals that were in the carts that have disappeared.
You mean the carts that have disappeared like that?
We found you! But where's the third monkey? Uh-oh, he's gone missing? Don't worry, we'll find him again. There you are! It's not fun to be alone, is it? Now that you're together again, let's find the other animals. They must feel just as alone and sad as you did just now. If you find them, you can call Morphle. Uh-oh, Morphle, morph tracks to right underneath the elephant. Phew! Great! Now let's find the others. Wow! That looks great, Lion! Yeah! Now we only need to find the giraffe. Whee! There you are, giraffe.